Can you see how the skin and the face are blending so perfectly together? So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this. Please don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, share your thought on the comment section. With that, let's start up with this. So since I start with my eyes first, I'm always using my contour shade to apply on my eyes, the powder to apply on my eyes, then go in with Davis number 3 eye pencil to draw my brows. Guys, have you noticed, like, sometimes you think, I've mastered my brows, like I'm the master of my brow now, then the next time when you try to draw, you're doing something else. So to clean up my lower lash and brows, I'm going down with that contour shade and my concealer. So you're doing something, you'll be like, oh yeah, I know how to draw my brows today. The next day, something different entirely. So I'm using that one to just highlight my brow bone area, since I want that brow bone area to shine. And the other side, since there's no need of using concealer when I will have to cover it up with contour later. So I'm using that for my top of my brows, and that's the foundation I'm using today, V Beauty foundation. Then I'm using that same concealer, the Flawless Ivy concealer, as my eyeshadow base. So today we are going in with this City Girl by Flawless, I think. We are using that black shade and that brown shade. We're starting on with this black shade. You know that when you apply your lashes and you see that demarcation, if you do this first, it will lessen that demarcation, like those lines will not be there. Then I start building in with this green shade, darken it a little bit with the dark and with the black shade. And I was thinking this was giving brown, right? When I applied it on my eyes, it was giving pink. I wanted even changing. I was like, no, I still like it a little bit. So to blend everything in, I'm going in with that my contour shade again to blend everything right in. Go back with that brush that I used to blend out that demarcation. Starting off with my skin prep, I'm using my PS baby cream. Guys, do you know that I started applying my foundation and I was looking, the foundation already breaking. Then I noticed like I didn't do skin prep. Guys, please try and do skin prep. Like, use any cream you have. If you don't have money for those expensive things you see on YouTube, see, I'm using PS and it does work. Before I apply my foundation, if you don't do skin, like you don't moisturize your face first, your makeup will look very different and rough. So please try and do that first. Even though you don't have every other thing, apply your cream on your face before you rub your foundation. Thank you. So this is the foundation I'm using, the V Beauty, the one I showed you guys before. And blending is really fast because it gets dry very fast too. So for my bronze, I'm using this Flawless Ivy in the shade Ebony to bronze up my face. This one is just one shade darker. I don't like those really dark contour anymore. This one always make my face look sun-kissed. So to highlight my face, Flawless Ivy, you know, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead and my chin. Then blend it out with my Damn Beauty sponge. We didn't talk about the elephant in the room, the color of my eyes. So guys, I wear glasses. So I recently got a medicated contact. When the doctor came and was like, choose the color. I can't choose black anymore. I already have black eyes. So I choose hazel. So for my blush, I'm using that shade. Guys, if you have that cream lip on your this thing, try it. This blush is everything, or this color is everything. Like, It's popping on my skin. Everything was just popping on this makeup today. So for setting all the places I highlight, I'm going with that Flawless Ivy powder in the shade Banana. Guys, you see the difference, right? Always set first. If you like to bake, set before you bake. But me, I'm not really a fan of baking, so I didn't really bake. I just set this thing. Then I use this shade to bronze all the places, to set all the places I bronzed. Use that to contour my nose. Like I said before, just one shade darker. I don't want those really dark lines on my face. Then I use my skin shade. This one I applied all over my face, all over. Doesn't matter if I applied concealer or contour. Apply all over my face. Use this dark gel liner to line my waterline. Then I go in with that green shade again to smoke out my under eye area. Pop up my lashes. If you are new here, always apply my lash glue on my skin first before I just puff off the lashes. It's easier this way, guys. Okay, for my lips, I'm using this shade and that shade. I'm ombreing those two. Blend the middle one with my middle finger. Just tap it in. Set the rest of my face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray. And guys, this is a game changer. You see that blush we used before? Use it again after you are done with your makeup. Just use it and reapply on your face, even though it's wet. Guys, it's really a game changer. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts on the comment section. What did I want to say again? I've forgotten. But see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed today's video anyway. Bye, loves.